Naya. It's on straight stitch. Sorry, it's my one. It is the needle thread. It's straight. Then let's do. And it's the reverse. Speed we can increase or decrease, and then it is the straight. It's the back side. Let's do the zigzag or any other stitch. Okay, it's 50. I think we should see 53. No, 50, 54, 55. Okay, let's see 57. 57 is that stitch. Color is white, the thread color should be the dark one. Okay, let me put in the dark color, it will be better. Yeah, I will change the color and let's see now. I think I didn't put thread right. Yeah, the thread is tangled here. I have to put again. But you can see it's that white one that we did. It is that.